Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the snowman Adopt Me pet from Roblox. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing the top hat. Draw a curved line down for the left side of the hat. Now draw the right side with a shorter line. Connect the two lines at the top with a curved line. Now for the bottom, connect the two lines with a slight S curve like this. Now let's draw the brim of the hat. From the bottom right of the hat, draw a curve out and then loop it back in. Stop here to leave space for the head. From the same height on the left side, draw a curve out and back in. Now follow the same curve as the bottom of the hat and connect the line to the right side like this. Let's draw the bow on the hat now. Inside the hat on the right, draw a small square. Now draw each side of the bow. Next, draw a curved line across on either side of the bow like this for the ribbon. Let's draw the head now. From under the right side of the hat, where we left the opening, draw a curved line down for the side of the head. Now draw the left side, and then connect the lines to close off the head. Next, let's draw the eyes. Draw a circle in the center for the first eye. To the left, draw the next eye with an oval shape. Now color in the eyes black. Next, let's draw the nose. In between the eyes, draw a curved line down here. Then draw two lines coming to a point on the left. Now let's draw the scarf. From the right side of the head here, draw a curved line down. From the bottom of this line, draw a curved line inwards. Draw another parallel line to the left. Then connect the lines at the bottom. Next, on the left side of the head, draw a curved line down. Then draw a curved line across, connecting it to the right part of the scarf. Now from the left, draw two curved lines down. Then close it off at the bottom. Now I'm just going to draw some lines in the scarf to show the folds. Let's draw the body next. From under the left end of the scarf, draw a curved line down it and then in. Next, from under the right side of the scarf, come in slightly and draw a curved line down for the other side of the body. Now connect the two sides of the body at the bottom. Next, to finish off the body, draw 3 circles down the center like this. Lastly, let's draw the arms, and let's start with the right side. In the gap between the body and the scarf, draw 2 diagonal lines down and out. From the bottom line, draw a curve out like this for the elbow. Then draw 2 diagonal lines up and out. Finish it off by drawing 3 fingers like this. Now let's draw the left arm in the same way. And that's it for this cute snowman. Let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.